In this lesson, we are going to learn how to sing along to the first verse and the chorus. We will also learn how to play along to the verse and the chorus on our instrument and perform the first part of the song. So let's get ready to sing along to the first verse and chorus together.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
For part 1 of Let's Dance, we need to know how to play 4 notes that we've already learnt. G, A, B, and C. No thumb on the back. The new note we need to learn is E. Look at the picture on the right hand side to show you where your fingers go for E. You put all your left hand fingers down, like you're playing a G. Then you add your first finger onto the F key and your middle finger onto the E key. Make sure you blow really gently below E. Before we learn the verse to Let's Dance, we're going to warm up. On the notes G and A, I'd like you to copy me using the rhythm, hey baby won't you take a chance. Your turn. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, go. Now on the notes B and C, I'd like you to use this rhythm. Say that you'll let me have this dance, like this. Your turn. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, go. In Let's Dance, there's also some leaps that we need to be aware of. So we're going to practice those leaps. The first leap is moving from E to G, like this. So I'm lifting my right hand up and down, keeping my fingers hovering over those keys. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. The other leap moves from A to C, lifting our thumb and middle finger off, like this. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're now going to learn the verse to Let's Dance. It follows the words that we've already learned earlier on in the video. Hey baby, won't you take a chance? Say that you'll let me have this dance, let's dance. Let's dance. So we're going to learn these in little sections. The first part just uses G and A, and it follows, hey baby, won't you take a chance? What I'd like you to do now is have a go and play along with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, go. The next part follows the words, say that you'll let me have this answer, let's dance. This part's slightly trickier because it uses E, G, A and C, and it goes like this. See if you can play along with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, go! The last part's very easy. Let's dance. Let's just try that. After 3. 1, 2, 3. What I want you to do now is pause the video and practice this part of the verse over and over until you feel really confident at playing it. The chorus follows the words, we'll do the twist, the stomp, the mashed potato too. Any old dance that you want to do, let's dance. This part uses only 3 notes, G, A and B. Just like the verse, we're going to learn it in small sections. So the first part we're going to learn is we'll do the twist, the stomp, the mashed potato too. And it goes like this. This time I want you to try and play along with me after 3. 1, 2, 3. The next part, any old dance that you want to do, let's dance. Again, it only uses B, A and G, and it goes like this. Your turn now, after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause the video here and practice the chorus over and over until you become really confident at playing it.
One, two, three, four. Hey baby, won't you take a chance? Say that you'll let me have this dance. Let's dance. Let's dance. We'll do the twist, the stomp, the mashed potato too. Any old dance that you want to do. Let's dance.
Well done everyone, you've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you like to help you practice the piece so far at home.
Let's dance.